Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by powering off your Lenovo Ideapad 330 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for safety during the repair process. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Keep track of the screws by placing them in a small container. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, locate the hinge assembly. Inspect the hinges for any visible damage or misalignment. If they appear loose, you may need to tighten the screws that hold them in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to do this, ensuring not to over-tighten, as this can cause further issues. If you notice any debris or dust around the hinges, it's a good idea to clean this area. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any buildup. This will help the hinges function smoothly. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue and provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Once the hinges are tightened and cleaned, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, securing the back panel firmly but gently. After reassembly, power on your laptop to test the hinges. Open and close the lid several times to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. In conclusion, adjusting the hinges on your Lenovo Ideapad 330 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your laptop and enhance your user experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.